In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a mockup in Photopea. First, open Photopea and import your mockup file by clicking on File at the top left corner of your screen and selecting Open. Choose your mockup image from your device and it will load into your workspace. Next, you need to import the design or logo that you want to place onto the mockup. Go to File again, this time select Open and Place, then choose your logo file and click Open. Your logo will now appear on top of the mockup. At this stage, you can temporarily hide the logo layer by clicking the eye icon next to it in the Layers panel so you can focus on preparing the mockup. Select your main mockup layer and use the Magic Wand tool from the left-hand toolbar. After selecting it, click on Select Subject from the top options bar. If you are using the free version of Photopea, you may be prompted to watch a short ad before the selection is processed. Once the main object of the mockup is selected, press Ctrl+J twice to create two duplicate layers of the extracted object. Now make your logo layer visible again and ensure transform controls are enabled from the top menu. Resize and position your logo carefully onto the mockup product so that it fits naturally. In the Layers panel, drag the logo layer so it sits between the two duplicated object layers you created earlier. Then select the top duplicate layer and change its blending mode to Multiply from the drop-down menu. Finally, right-click on your logo layer and choose Clipping Mask to apply it properly within the boundaries of the mockup. This will integrate the logo realistically onto the product surface, and this is how you can edit a mockup in Photopea.